to my channel. So today's video is going to be a clean and decorate with me, but I'm going to start off this haul with a quick little haul, and I'm going to show you guys the things that I bought to decorate my bedroom with, and then I'm going to get straight into the cleaning and the decorating. So let's go straight into the haul. First place that I went was the range, and I ended up picking up these two gorgeous pillows. So they're the round diamante pillows and they're in the colour blush pink. So as you can tell, this is going to be the colour that I'm going to be adding into my room. And if you've watched my videos before, you know that my room is already like a grey, silver, and it's got touches of black and white in there as well. So I wanted to add in a bit of colour, and I thought blush pink would be the perfect colour to add in. So I bought two of these pillows from the range, and these were $5.99 each, so you cannot go wrong. There's a really good price for these pillows as well, and they're really well made and they look really nice as well. So like I said, these are in the range. I'm going to be putting these as decorative pillows on my bed. That's the main thing that I wanted really, was decorative pillows as well as some decoration for the room. So those were the first thing that I ended up picking up from the range. The next thing I ended up picking up from the range were a pack of 2 cushion covers. So I was going to end up buying some cushions, but I decided I've already got cushions here that I can just put cushion covers over, and whenever I want to change them, then I can just swap them over, put them in the washing machine and put new ones on. So I didn't really see the point in buying new cushions if I've already got them. So I went ahead and bought cushion covers. So again, these are in the colour blush pink, and they've also got a bunch of silver detailing in the middle of the pattern. I don't know if you guys would be able to see properly, but it has got a bunch of silver in the middle of the pattern as well. And these were $4.99 as well from the range. You cannot go wrong for 2 cushion covers, even though they don't have the inserts. If you've got them yourself, there's really no point in buying new ones unless obviously you need them, which I didn't, so I just went ahead and bought these. I wanted to go ahead and buy another 2 sets of cushion covers to cover my other 2, and I went ahead and bought the silver crushed velvet. I wanted to go ahead and buy another 2 sets of cushion covers to cover my other 2, and I went ahead and bought the silver crushed velvet. I'm not sure if this is the exact match to my silver bedding, crushed velvet bedding. It could be just a little bit darker, but it doesn't matter even so. But I thought this would look really nice because then it would match the bedding as well, and also crushed velvet looks really nice with blush pink. So I went ahead and picked up these, and again it's a pack of 2, and these were also $4.99. So if you're looking for crushed velvet cushion covers and you don't need the actual cushion itself, go to the range because these are absolutely gorgeous and they're really good quality as well. And they also have the zip on the side, so you can put this the pillow in and pull the pillow out and wash them. So the next thing I ended up picking up from the range was this vase. So like I said, my room has got a bunch of silver and greys in, so I didn't want to drift too far from that colour. I just wanted to add in the blush pink as an extra colour and to make it a little bit brighter in here. So I ended up picking up this gorgeous silver vase. It's also got this little heart detailing on it as well as the bow, but I thought this would be perfect to hold the next thing that I bought from the range. And it's so pretty as well, and it looks a lot more expensive than what it actually is. So this was only $2.99. I'm pretty sure the gold one was a little bit more expensive. I think it was $3.99, literally only £1 more. And I don't really know why. And I don't really know why, because they look exactly the same, just a different colour. Maybe the gold colour is just a little bit more expensive. I don't know why, because personally I think that the silver looks a lot nicer. But to go with this vase, I ended up picking up these. So I thought these would look really nice inside of this vase. I did actually try and see what this looked like in the shop as well before I bought it, but I think that looks so pretty, and it's going to look so nice on my chest of drawers or even on my desk. And again, it's just another subtle way of adding in that blush pink colour while sticking to the silver, by adding it in on another place rather than just on the bed. It's also around the room as well. And these flowers were $3.99, so they're just a couple of roses tied together. Obviously you can take them apart and rearrange them as you wanted to, but I quite like them bunched up, and like I said, in this vase it looks really nice as well. So the next thing I bought from the range, which is the last thing that I got from there, was this decorative vase. And it's also got those fake flowers in. So I know that they sell these in Next, and in Next I'm pretty sure they're either £12 or £13 each, and these were only $5.99 in the range. And oh my gosh guys, these look so much more expensive than what they actually are. The $5.99 for this is absolutely amazing, especially when Next are charging £12 to £13 for one of these. And these are actually like dupes for quite a high-end brand. I can't remember exactly what one it is. I'm pretty sure Gemma Louise Miles, if you don't know who she is, she's a YouTuber also, and she mentioned about these vases. She also bought them and she said the name of the dupe. I cannot remember what dupe it was, but they look exactly the same, but you can get these for $5.99 rather than super expensive. And I think these are absolutely gorgeous, and they're going to look so nice in a bedroom just to make it that much brighter and just to add something in that's really nice as well. So I'm hoping to put this in the bedroom. If I can't find a place to go in the bedroom, I'm definitely going to be putting this elsewhere in my house. I'll most probably put it on my windowsills, up on the stairs, or I might even put this in the living room as well. But like I said, this is the last thing that I got from the range. Now moving on to the things I got from B&M. The first thing that I got in B&M was this gorgeous blush pink throw. So this was only £5, which is an absolutely amazing price. They also had this throw in a little bit of a darker blush pink as well, but I went for the lighter blush pink only because it looks and is the closest match to the pillows that I bought from the range, and I think this is absolutely amazing quality for £5 as well. You can't go wrong. I used to always have a throw at the bottom of my bed when I used to live with my mother, and I've just never bought one since moving into this house, and I've almost lived here 3 years now. So I wanted to go ahead and get a throw to go at the bottom of my bed, and this is the perfect colour. Again, a nice way to add in colour to your room if you want to add some colour into it. But these didn't actually have any packaging on them in the store. They'd all come off. I think they were quite flimsy packaging as well. There's absolutely nothing wrong with them. If you do go into the Chanel store and see these, there's nothing wrong with them at all. It's just the packaging have come off them, and their original price was £5. They haven't reduced the price at all just because the packaging is off them. They are literally like brand new, nothing wrong with them at all. So yeah, I went ahead and picked this up, and I think it's so nice, and it's so fluffy as well. I know my son's gonna absolutely love this because he loves fluffy blankets. But yeah, these are gonna look perfect on my bed with those pillows. Next thing I picked up from B&M was this blush pink candle, and so this has got the scent Pink Blossom. It's not really that strong of a scent, to be honest with you. It's quite a light scent. To be honest with you, I didn't really buy it for the scent. I'm not really a fan of like blossomy scents, but I purely bought it because of the jar is that blush pink colour, and I wanted to have some blush pink like ornaments around the room just to bring in that colour, and I just really liked it, to be honest with you. And this was only £2.50 as well. They had these in a bunch of other colours as well. I think they had them in gold. They didn't have any silver because otherwise I would have picked up some silver ones as well. But yeah, I picked it up purely for the colour. So then the last thing I ended up picking up from B&M in decor wise was this cool little ornament. They also had these there in the black and the bronze, but I quite like this one. So like I said, I was torn between going the rose gold or the blush pink, and I went ahead and went for the blush pink because I don't know, I think it's a little bit girly. Even though my partner's obviously living here with me, I just wanted this colour to make it a little bit more girly and, you know, more me. I went ahead and chose the blush pink, and my partner doesn't really care anyway. He's quite happy with whatever decor we have because this isn't going to be our forever home. So however we decide to decorate is completely up to me, because when we get our new home, which we are currently saving for, we're hoping to move out by next year, the end of next year. It's going to be a completely different style house, all white, really nice. So yeah, but I really like this. I thought this was really different, and I thought this would look gorgeous on my little unit in the corner there, or even on my desk. I don't know exactly where I'd put this if I put it on my desk, but it's supposed to hold a tea light candle. I don't think I'll put a candle in there, only because I know my son is most probably going to want to grab this, and I'm going to have to move it out of his sight. But yeah, I thought it was so pretty, and it's just, again, another nice way to add in that blush pink other than just on the bed. That was all the decor pieces that I bought from B&M and the range. Now to get on into the cleaning and the decorating. Alright, so I wanted to show you guys what the bedroom looked like before I started decorating it and before I started cleaning it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean the whole room first, and then I'm going to decorate afterwards. So this is what it looked like first. As you see, I had my teddy bear bed in. There was loads of powder all over my desk, and I just needed a good tidy up. There was fresh sheets there ready to go on, and there was loads of the old decor. So what I'm going to start off by doing first is changing the sheets. So as you can see, I had the teddy bear bedding on, and I wanted to change it to the crushed velvet bedding so that it went with the pillows that I've bought, and it'll look really nice in here as well. Even though the teddy bear bedding is really nice, it's still very warm, especially for the weather at the moment. Even though it is still very rainy in the UK, it is still quite warm and humid. So the teddy bear bedding is a little bit warm, and the crushed velvet bedding is a lot better in this weather.
when I met you. We were like fireworks, thought nothing could break us. But oh, how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight, and no one knows the reason. We're both getting out of line. Now say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get over you, only wish that I knew how to go on.
Now that the bedding's changed, I'm going to go ahead and wipe over my chest of drawers. I'm going to take everything off it first, and I'm not going to put anything back on because I've got new decor that I want to put on here, and I'm not sure what I'm going to be using yet of the old decor. So I'm just going to use my diluted Zoflora, and I've got the scent Midnight Blooms in here. It's my absolute favourite scent out of all the Zofloras because it smells like alien. And after I'd finished cleaning this room, oh my gosh, it smelled amazing. So then I went ahead and used my Astonish window and glass cleaner, and I gave the drawers a quick wipe down because I've got a little boy who likes to touch absolutely everything, and my daughter also loves to as well. I've got to get those sticky fingerprints off.
That we both know couldn't work, so we should try to say goodbye.
So while I'm using the glass cleaner, I went ahead and wiped over the photo frames, and I also gave the windows a quick wipe over as well, just to get them looking nice and fresh.
Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you.
Then I went back in with my diluted Zoflora, and I took everything off the side table because I'm planning on putting new decor here. I don't really want the sprays and the aftershaves out on display anymore because they do look a little bit cluttered, so I'm going to put them underneath the side table instead and get some decor on there so it looks nice and tidy. So then I moved on to my table. I wanted to pull everything off here and get everything off so I could give the table a good wipe over and also give the mirror a wipe over as well. And I also even ended up sorting out my makeup so that my makeup wasn't in the bag on top of my makeup organizer. It was actually all sorted in my makeup organizer rather than in the makeup bag on top, and it looked so much better afterwards. So like I said, I'm just going to give the mirror a quick wipe over again using the Astonish window and glass spray, and then I'm going to give the table a wipe over again using my diluted Zoflora.
Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make.
I also went ahead and gave my chair a quick wipe over. I do really want a new chair and a new desk because I've had these for years now, so I do want to change them up, which I'm hoping to do very soon, but I don't. And then again, I don't really want to buy new things because if we're going to be moving house, which we are planning to, we're already saving, I don't really want to go and buy new furniture just in case it doesn't fit into our new home, especially with everything going to be crisp white. I don't really know how we're going to decorate it yet, so I'm unsure whether to get new furniture yet, but it is on my mind. So I attempted to clean this little ottoman here. As you can see, Kata has drawn all over it with his crayons, and even though in the video it looks like it's slightly coming off, which it did slightly come off, it was still really bad, and I just gave up in the end, and I think I'm either going to get rid of it or I'm going to put it in storage where it can't be seen, because it is really bad. To be honest with you, it doesn't go with any of my decor anymore, so I might just get rid of it, and it's no good anymore anyway. But after I attempted that, I gave up in the end, so I moved on to hoovering the floor. And also, after I hoovered the floor, I went ahead and fabulosed the floor with my foam freshener, but I didn't get that in. And the one that I used was the Fresh Febreze scent, and it smells absolutely gorgeous.
How you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you
And that's all the cleaning done. So now for the decorating part of this video, the part that I couldn't wait for. So I'm going to start off by doing the cushion covers. So as you can see, I'm putting my old black cushion covers and keeping the covers on them and putting the new ones on. The reason for this is yesterday I just washed the black cushion covers, and so when I need to wash the pink and the crushed velvet ones, the cushion covers are already on the pillows. I don't have to fuss to put them back on because they're already there and they're also already clean. So this was just an easier way, and then I don't have to go digging through trying to find them when I do swap them over. So what I decided to do was put the blush pink ones right in the back, and then I pushed the crushed velvet ones right in front of them. As you can see, these two little black diamond pillows I ended up taking away. I didn't want to use them anymore because they just didn't suit the look that I was trying to go for. And then the round pillows I went ahead and put right in front of the crushed velvet one, and then I want to put this fluffy one right in the middle, and it looked really nice in the end. And then I put the throw diagonally over the bottom of the bed, and it looked really nice. Like, I'm really happy with how it turned out. So then I moved on to my chest of drawers. I ended up putting this vase with the flowers on here, and it looked really nice as well. It was the perfect place for this, especially in my room. So then I ended up putting one of my old decor on here, which was that like rounded disc. It's actually a perfume holder, but I thought it looked really nice with a candle on top. And then I also used the old broken up glass balls that I had there as well, and it just completed the look. And then here I couldn't decide what to put on the side table, but I actually ended up just leaving the vase with the flowers in on there, and it looked really nice and subtle. So then that was everything done. I ended up spraying the bed then with the Febreze, and that was my room completely cleaned and decorated. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to be a viewer here on my channel. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I am so happy with the results. Even though it's only a small change and a small bit of colour added into the room, it does make a big difference, and it makes the room so much lighter. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Talk to you, I'm better off not talking to you. But why you trying to hold on, to hold on, to hold on? Wanna take it differently, wanna play my own game, and I don't need your hair, so won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window.